Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are the Mecca of Civil Services Preparation, and we have with us Soumya. Thank you so much, Soumya, for joining us. The question that we are asking individuals and the issue that we are tracking is about Chennai floods, and here we will be asking about disaster planning. Soumya, how do you feel the disaster planning in this country can improve?
Actually, many are saying that the Chennai floods is a natural disaster, but it is not a natural disaster. It was a man-made disaster because you see there, it was near a sea area. It was a coastal area. So the main thing is with government, and they have received many funds also previously. That Chennai has also many disasters previously, so they have to take some precautions to prevent in the near future. They have also received that funds for Jawaharlal National Rural Urban Planning Mission, and under that they have received some crores of funds so that stormwater drains will be interconnected, and they will be connected to this coastal area, so that water doesn't get locked down to the roads. But now you see the work was not completed, and when we asked to this municipal corporations, they are saying that we have completed everything, still 5% work was there. So how this disaster occurs if that was there?
So you talked about municipalities, and my question here is how do you strengthen these municipalities so that they deliver well on ground in terms of disaster planning?
So there should be transparency and management, proper development, planning, authorized planning should be there. Corruption was there, that was the main issue.
But say for example, I'm a resident of the city, and I want to involve myself with the municipal operations as an advisor or as a consultant, as a volunteer. So do you feel that are there options available right now, or if there are not, how can we create such options?
Actually, there is a problem with people also. Illegal construction of building was going there. People was mainly responsible for that. They have to see that such a issue will not come like this. They have to do all the things in a proper manner, in a legal manner. They have to take permission, and overcrowding of city was the main reason. And buildings were constructed very near to the coastal areas. No proper planning in low-lying areas, and this previously Chennai was having a natural terrain with many swamps, with many water absorbent areas, like those areas which can absorb water, which can act as a natural absorbent. But now that area was totally converted into IT hub. So how could that water goes into this natural earth? There was mainly people who are responsible. They have to they have to think once, and they should see that and the main responsibility lies with the people only when it comes to environment and ecology.
That is very informative, very innovative steps pointed out, Soumya. Ladies and gentlemen, that's why we say Jan is the expert. So thank you so much, Soumya. Ladies and gentlemen, follow Jan Ki Baat, #selfie interview, Chennai floods, disaster planning. Thank you, Soumya.